Hello everyone, welcome to Dada's FoodCrave Kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a simple fufu slash pounded yam. If you are interested, keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get cooking. All right, my Dada's team, first what you want to do is have your water boiling in a pot before you start making your pounded yam slash fufu. As you can see, I have pounded yam flour here. You can use cassava fufu, or you can use plantain powder to make your fufu. All right. As you can see, my water is already boiled. Come to a boil. That's what you want to do first. All right. I did not measure. I'm sorry, guys, but I eyeball everything. All right. So what you want to do once your water come into a boil, you want to start mixing the fufu as you pouring in the powdered yam flour. You want to keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing until it start getting thick. All right. Until it start getting thick, like so. Watch the video closely until it start getting thick, like so, and then you stop. Now, this is where the challenge is gonna start. You want to make sure you mix with all your strength, all your power that God gave you, all your mighty power. And you want to mix. As you mix in, you want to keep pressing on the side of the pot to smash it, to squeeze it, to, whatever word you want to call it. All right. You want to use your strength. And if I say you want to use your strength, if you have your husband at home, please. So after mixing it, I thought I was recording. I added some water. After mixing everything until it's combined, you want to add a little bit of boiling water or hot water and cover it. Now, you want to cover it, let it on a low medium heat, let it cook for 5 minutes. All right, as you can see. All right, that's how you cook your fufu. Once you started mixing everything until everything was combined, now the fufu was not ready, it was still raw. Okay, you don't want to eat raw fufu, you're going to have a stomach ache. Then you want to make sure you add a little bit of water, cover it, walk away in a low medium heat, let it steam and let it cook, as you see I'm doing in the video here. Then you want to use your power, your strength, your mighty power again. Mix and mix and mix. As you can see, I'm smashing it on the side of the pot. All right, I'm smashing it on the side of the pot. Once you mix it, you want to press it against the pot. You see that? You want to press it against the pot. Use your hand, use your power. If you have your husband at home, or you have a big son, just let them help you turn that fufu. But like I said, you need it. It requires a lot of strength, a lot of strength. Yes, just keep mixing and press it against the pot, like as you can see I'm doing in the video. That's what you want to do. That's the secret in making the fufu, to make sure you achieve a very smooth texture like fufu. Some people like their fufu very like on the hard side or thicker side. Some people like their fufu very soft. For me, in between. I don't like it too hard. I don't like it too soft. Obviously, you want to be able to mold it. Okay. So once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and add more water. I'm going to add a little bit more water. All right. Just this time around a little bit water, and cover it again on a low medium heat. Let it steam. As you can see, I'm using hot boiling water. I'm going to just cover the pot and cover it again and let it cook. All right. The fufu needs to be cooked. You don't want to eat raw fufu. All right. You don't want to eat raw fufu. And if I say you don't want to eat raw fufu, you don't want to eat raw fufu. Mind you, it's a dough. Okay. It's a flour, pounded yam flour dough. It's just like eating raw dough, you will have a stomach ache. So as you can see, I came back, check on it. At this time again, I'm, pressing in against the pot. You want to, as you're turning it, you press it against the pot. That's all to it. Press it against the pot until everything, cook really nice and smooth, as you can see. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be enjoying this with my okra soup. Like I said again, you can enjoy this with okra soup. You can enjoy it with cassava leaf. You can enjoy it with potato leaf. You can enjoy it with egusi. You can enjoy it with fish pepper soup. You can enjoy it with any soup of your choice. It doesn't have any taste to it. People ask, what is fufu? What is fufu? It doesn't have much taste to it at all. And that's all to making the fufu. As you can see, yes, you can mold it into a plastic. I didn't have time. I just scoop it with a little bowl, and I'm going to be enjoying with my okra soup. Yes, tomorrow is Saturday. You can make this any time of the week with your okra soup, your cassava leaf, your potato leaf, your egusi soup, your some people make light soup with it, light pepper soup with it, but I'm enjoying this with my okra soup. Like I said again, yeah, if you're enjoying watching this video, give this video a big like and a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys will consider subscribing if you're new. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. You will be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Yes, this is how you make fufu. All right, there's no taste to it at all. What you eating with it, that's what's gonna make the fufu taste, have flavor to it. Yeah, like I said again, I just wanted to give you guys a little bonus clip here. This was my potato leaf that I make. You can enjoy your fufu with your potato leaf, all right, or your cassava leaf or your egusi soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and follow for more. I'll see you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.